welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of Authoredup review. What do I mean by that? Authoredup review. Do you dream of writing a book? Well, Authoredup promises to help you do just that. But is it the right editor for you? Let's find out in this review. Authoredup is a service offering professional editing, coaching, and publishing guidance for authors. What are the services? They provide developmental editing, copy editing, and manuscript critiques. They also offer coaching calls and query letter help. Now, what are the pros? 1. Professional insights. You get direct feedback from an experienced editor. 2. Comprehensive packages. They can guide you from a rough draft to a publishable manuscript. 3. Personalized coaching. The one-on-one support can be invaluable for new writers. Now let's look at the cons. 1. Premium price tag. Professional editing is a significant investment, often costing thousands of dollars for a full novel. 2. No guarantee of publication. They improve your manuscript, but they don't guarantee you will get an agent or a publishing deal. 3. Subjective feedback. Editing is an art, and their suggestions may not always align with your vision. Let's look at pricing. You must request a custom quote. For a full-length novel, expect prices to start in the high hundreds and easily go into the thousands, depending on the service level. So what's the verdict? Authoredup is a serious investment for serious writers. If you have the budget and need professional, hands-on guidance, it could be worth it. For hobbyists, it's likely overkill. Hope you found this video helpful.